I'm going to read English newspaper. Assam mining accident. One dead. It trapped as rescue ops continue. One dead body has been recovered from the collapsed coal mine at 3 kilo Umrangso, where 9 miners were trapped on January 6, according to a statement from an NDRF official. One body has been recovered by the divers of NDRF, the Indian Army, the Joint Rescue Operation led by the Indian Army, Assam Rifles National Disaster Response Force, State Disaster Response Force, and other agencies resumed early morning to rescue 9 miners trapped in a coal mine in the 3 kilo area of Umrangso, Dima, Hassau. The operation had to be temporarily halted. The various previous evening but resumed with full force today, January 6, according to NDRF Deputy Commandant and Tiwari. The efforts are continuing round the clock with an expanded team. The operation was closed yesterday evening and we have resumed the operation again this morning. We expect and hope to reach our miners as soon as possible and rescue them, he said. Tiwari added that the combined forces of the NDRF and the army are working on the ground with support expected from the navy in the coming hours. Everyone from our commandant, our team, the army are here. Later, the officials from the Navy will also join the rescue operation, he said. A miner who worked in the mine said a lot of people were in the mine and suddenly people started shouting that water is filling. Around 30 to 35 people came up and nearly 15 to 16 were still trapped. Meanwhile, as the rescue operation continued in Umrangsaw, Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma had announced the registration of an FIR and the arrest of one individual in connection with the incident. In a post on X, Sarma informed the police have registered an FIR under Umrang Sao PS case number Umrang So 2 2025 sitting section 35105 BNS RW section 21 clause 1 of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957 to investigate the incident. Prime facie it appears to be an illegal mine. One Panis Nunsa has been arrested in connection with the case. The CM had also discussed the rescue operation with Union Coal Minister G. Kishan Reddy and sought assistance. I also spoke to Honorable Union Coal Minister Sri Krishna Kishan Reddy, BJP, seeking assistance for our rescue operation in Umrangsaw. He has promptly issued directions to a Coal India HQ to extend full support to the Assam government in this mission. My sincere gratitude to him for his swift response and support, CM Sarma posted on X. Thank you guys for watching this.